Buhay sari-sari.
Charlie! Charlie!
Yeah.
Nandito na pala yung aking anak. Come, bigo. May panis na ang baby talaga. May palat, panis! Panis na, parang big boy na. Okay. Ano bang gagawin natin ngayong hapon?
I don't know.
You don't know. Sige. May naisip ako, anak. How about i-topic natin yung ano ba yan? Mental health?
Mental health.
Ano ba yun? Nababalinatan ko ngayon. Sige nga. Give me an idea about the mental health.
Mental health. Mental health is the thing that keeps you sane. That makes you be rational. Makes you use your common sense more easily. And also keeps your imagination under control. Sometimes if your sanity is too low, that means your mental that's your insane. Mental health is going down. And plus, that's why a lot of massacres occur, since they are feeling like they're being threatened even though nothing is actually threatening them. That's called fear.
Fear.
Fear, yes.
You meant to say when I get fear, I'm insane?
No, of course not. Example, phobias.
Okay.
Phobias are caused by threatening things they've seen or heard. Like imagine, like the fear of the dark. They heard stories that people get lost in the dark and never come back.
Like Molto?
Yes, and that's also another thing, irrational thought that ghosts exist even though they aren't. And plus, if ghosts really didn't exist, then why aren't we investigating them a lot?
Why? Maybe it is the culture.
Yes, it's also in the culture. A lot of cultures have ghosts and threatening beings. Like in the Philippines, our culture is there are a lot of ghosts like Mananggal and also mga Cyclops, the one-eyed beast.
Is that
Cyclops.
walang half body?
Oh, Mananggal. That's the half body. You know, your mother might be a Mananggal.
Like this?
And Manananggal are also very known for making your children disappear. So, good luck on that, parents.
No, okay. Let's continue about insanity.
So, insanity usually forms because of there's many triggers to insanity like grave loss, really bad nightmares, drug use, and lack of sleep. And there's others more, but those are the only ones I can call. But still, the ones that are very dangerous and easy to do is lack of sleep. That's the number one thing
Why?
that could
Like
drive you
playing all night with games?
Actually, a teenager's body is actually their cycle actually gets changed due to puberty. That's why they're not actually doing that for fun. They're doing that because their brain are automatically hardware because their circadian rhythm is being changed because they're growing. Because puberty hits hard because there are lots of hormones at play, some cause acne, depression, a lot of that.
How about the isolation?
Oh, isolation?
Yes.
A lot of people would say that.
Like
okay,
what happened today? We are isolated. We
well,
cannot go anywhere. We're limited on place we can go.
well, that's not truly isolation. That would just saying that you're isolated in your house. But if you're seeing people, that's not true isolation. True isolation that you can't see anything. You can't see anyone. You're trapped in one room. You can't do anything interesting. You can't socialize with anyone. And plus, even if you say that you would rather prefer being isolated, that's actually false. Because humans are programmed to be social. They have to be social for their mental health. Because if they don't, even though there's nothing wrong with being isolated, their mental health will eventually kill them. That would reasonably drive them into suicide or anything else. And plus, did you know the Tarosan massacre? That massacre was very hard. That massacre hit very hard. Although,
Where? In Tarzan?
Yes.
Tarzana.
Tarusana.
Tarzana. Okay, sige.
That's-
It's different from Tarzan.
Train to Busan.
Okay, let's continue.
That massacre might have been related to drug use or lack of sleep, and plus mental health issues. And plus, did you know in America they play video games, even they say that you're being brainwashed by video games, but in truth the opposite is actually correct. There's actually no, even though there's a lot of science, even though the media keeps harassing it, it's actually false. In Japan, they have less homicides than in America,
Why? Shit.
because people are just stuck in their rooms playing it. That's why you can't really kill anyone if you're just stuck. And then that cause that playing violent video games actually makes it be more violent, but it's false. You can't. Sure, there might be an intense craving for more violent thoughts, but it's only for a short period of time, and they're not actually focused on the real reason. It's mental health,
How about sadness?
sadness.
Yes.
Sadness might be attributed to many things like stress. Examples of stress is schoolwork.
Schoolwork like modules?
Yes, probably. Yes, you could confess that. And also presentations like work stress or
Work? Is that
Yes.
stressful?
Yes, that could be stressful if you're being on tight schedule. And also what's it called?
What's that?
I can't remember it. Family stress.
Family stress. For example, what?
Example, you're being pressured to do something.
Like what?
I don't know. There's many examples to it. But
Like
still.
making videos like this?
Nah, not really. But sort of,
Yo!
yeah.
Oh! Is
But
that
also
true?
there's a lot of other kinds of family stress, like culture. If you're in love with someone whose culture is
Oh.
different from so
What's someone, anak?
I don't
Can
know.
I know someone?
I don't even have a crush on anyone yet.
Okay.
Blush.
Wait,
And
That's
plus,
my boy.
there's a lot of culture stress. If you're in love with someone and that person is also in love with you,
Oh.
but your culture is preventing you from it. But if your parents find out, there might be stress. And plus, here's my favorite examples. Lotto.
Loto.
If you win a lot of money,
What are you going to do?
well, if you win a lot of money, that also
Money.
could be a stress since money usually breaks a family apart. Because if you decline someone, they might try to make your aunts or uncles look bad to you, even though you're not actually bad. Just because you didn't give
Meaning to
them
say, money is cause of many troubles.
yes, a lot of troubles.
Okay. Can we greet our friends out there?
Okay, so hi friends.
Hi
I am
friends.
Johnny.
This is Janly, my son, and this is
Yes.
Joseph, the ghost of Janly from Bohai. Sari. Okay. Ngayon po, we're going to shout out some person. There's somebody that want to shout out. Shout out to Joshua James B. Nilaves Vlog.
Okay.
The
Shout
one-
out to that person.
To that
Woo,
person.
Good luck.
And also
You're the
to the
first one to
co-teachers
shout out.
of Analisa.
Oh yes, the
from Kalawag Elementary School. And then have we forgotten something?
Let's see.
I guess nothing.
Yes,
That's
we
one.
haven't. But we didn't hit the one. But we still have need. We still need of 50 minutes. 50 seconds.
Oh, okay. How about I have nothing to say. I'm making blank.
Scratch out the time. Hands. Do your work. Please. Give us more
Say,
time.
more time.
More time. Come on.
This is my
we need
cat.
10 minutes.
That's it.
Okay, that's
it.
Sky.
Okay. For those who are not yet subscribing to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. We're urging to have additional subscribers to come with us to subscribe, and please click the button down below.
Our goal next month is to reach
at least
150
this month we're
subscribers.
going to hit at least 200. We're going to 200. And then
100.
at least
Guys,
200.
you can do it. I believe in you.
Okay, that's it for now.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you next time in John Lee's Talks.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Like, share, comment, subscribe.